Hey traders, it's Ryan from theprivatebanker.com. Just going to do a quick recap on the day for crude oil. Just a quick sort of micro to macro update here on the current situation of this market. So as you all know, we've seen we're in this downtrend at the minute, and we're seeing just multiple balance areas, and we broke out that previous balance area, and we see quite a large gap down, and since then we sort of came back and we filled in. We found some support here at this sort of $78, $79 a barrel as the fast time frame value areas, and moving averages have been catching up with price, and we've currently gone into this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sort of 6-7 day balance, and we are seeing value catching up with price here. So obviously the next expectation is to see the reaction of this, and see if we're going to continue to see balance and two-way trade, or we're going to see some further breakdown here into some sort of macro support levels that I've been talking about on the Private Banker forum, and so the forum members will know what I'm talking about here, regards to references we're looking at on the downside here. So that's pretty much it for some of the high time frame stuff. I mean, on this month we've clearly seen a disconnect from last month, and we're establishing lower value, and we are seeing sort of fair prices at the moment below sort of this $78 a barrel. So obviously, like I said, the expectation is to see some further downside. I mean, we're well out of value on the year, and I mean, value is still playing catch up with price, but we are starting to see some decent volume coming in, and on this year's lows, and quickly show you this year's lows, and you can see we're at this key $75 a barrel support that we're just seeing a pause at the minute, and waiting for the next reaction, obviously with the path of least resistance being to the downside. So that's just pretty much it. Obviously, like I said, I've been covering this in quite an in-depth perspective on the forum, but I'm just going to quickly touch base on the day now. So looking at the TPOs on the day, I mean, we see an open inside of yesterday's range, right in the middle pretty much, and we see this auction down to the lower end of this distribution from yesterday, which happened to be the value area low on the Vwap. So I established a long position from here, and I mean, the expectation wasn't great on this trade. I mean, we had the 5 EMA above us, and obviously with it being inside day, the day type expected to be rotational. So with the order flow that I was seeing and what I was expecting on the day, when we came in and we tested above the initial balance here, and it was into the 5 EMA area, and that previous close, that was just pretty much my target area into that first IB extension on the day. So like I said, off the day I got long, and I got my target filled, and after that I just waited for the market to break the one time frame in. Once the one time framing got broken, I looked for a short off the previous highs, and obviously with the 5 exponential, it was obviously higher before this. We see this move down. So once I got short after the one time framing, I got short in the E period time change, and obviously stops above the high, and I pretty much just I was looking to target this the lows of the previous day, but I mean, we just couldn't get there. I mean, we see some passive buy orders coming in, and there was quite a fight in this area. I mean, there was aggressive sellers on the tape, but like I said, there just seemed to be passive buy orders absorbing this price action. So I ended up just exiting into the K period, just around this $77 a barrel area. So ends up catching some decent profit on this day. I mean, this is rotational, so there was opportunities on either side of the tape here today. So either way, you could have traded it from the short side and waited, or like I said, you could have traded it from the long side like I did, or you could have looked to have tapped both sides of this market if you had that higher understanding, and you could take advantage of it in the way that I did today. So that's pretty much it on for the day today. I mean, we're not seeing any one time frame in. We're still seeing two-way trade, and we're still currently trading this balance area. I mean, with the current situation this market in, I mean, I would personally possibly expect a gap down heading into tomorrow. I mean, we've got crude inventories tomorrow, because obviously yesterday was a Veterans Day in America, so it's classed as a holiday. So crude inventory has been pushed to Thursday, so it will be released at 11 o'clock tomorrow. So all eyes on 11 o'clock tomorrow for the inventory report. But we're definitely starting to build some lower value and in this market, and the high time frame, like I said, value sort of starting to catch up with price here. So I'm expecting a reaction any day soon. We'll just have to see how we continue to trade here. I mean, we are sitting currently in an inside week. I mean, you can see we're still showing an inside week, so we're not seeing any price expiration or a further break on this year's current low, which got put in last week. And we're still we're seeing this one time frame of behaviour in the market. So until we do break down, then obviously we are still rotation on the week. But with everything that I'm seeing at the minute, like I said, the expectation is to possibly see a gap down tomorrow. But obviously I can't predict that. I don't know what's going to happen. We just have to react to the market each day and how it opens, the open type, and the expectation from the open type that we see. But so we just have to see what happens tomorrow. Anyway, I hope you all traded well, and if you do have any questions, then please do not hesitate to email me or just ask me some questions on the forum. Anyway, take care and goodbye.